I'm very proud and excited that I could get these chickens to 3 weeks. This is what a 3-week chicken looks like.
Hi guys, today I want us to meet one of the youngest content creators in Zimbabwe, and he is juggling between school and entrepreneurship.
Your destiny will not be late. Life is what you make it, so don't be scared to take it.
Guys, for me, this is not a business. It's a pilot project. Some of you might ask, what's a pilot project? Well, a pilot project, this is when you wanna start a business, but you're not really sure. Instead of me buying 100 chickens or 50, I started with 25, so I could see how far I could go. So I could see if I was capable of taking care of chickens. Many of you might say, what's my objective? Why not just go straight to starting the business? Start with a pilot project. Well, a pilot project helps me. It helps me gain more experience with fewer chicks. That gives me less stress. So I get more experience. So when I do it on a larger scale, I can do it better and more efficient. So these chickens have grown. They're now on that 3rd week. Which you can see it's become big. It's growing feathers. Yes, I'm very proud and excited that I could get these chicks to 3 weeks. It brings me so much joy. If you're doing a pilot project for chickens, you can start with at least 25 chicks if you want to. That's what I did, or like I'm doing right now.
After sunshine comes the rain. If you stumble, rise again. Strength is born from deepest pain.
This is a good number for beginners to start with. So you can start small, but don't remain small. The goal is always to grow big. Then the live production cycle is around 6 weeks. From the first to the 2nd week, this is what we call the starter stage. From 3 to 4 weeks, this is where the chickens are in the grower stage. This is where we give them the food for the growers, the grow feathers. This is where the whole process really begins. This is where they grow, and you can see a big difference. Bigger and bigger. This is how you see your 2-year-old chick is developing. So these chicks turned 2 weeks today. This is why we changed that food from starter to grower. Finally is the finisher. The finisher takes place for 2 weeks. This is from the 5th week to the 6th week. And then the other thing you have to look at if you want to start a pilot project is the housing. So requirements for the housing, it needs good ventilation so the chickens can get enough air to breathe, so they don't breathe in dust and such things. And then the other thing that's needed is protection. From your chicken house, they should have protection from the rain. So I'm done for today. That's all. And then you see also this to block out any if it rains, the chickens won't be affected at all, because this plastic, it's waterproof. The water won't get in here. And mainly we decided to put a fence for ventilation. So this is the chicken house at home. Then you show the chicken house. This is the chicken house at home.
I really love what this young man is doing, and the purpose of teaching our kids to know entrepreneurship. This is what Jews teach their kids.
So basically, this is where we get this is our source of water. Get our water from the borehole.
So the water I'm getting right now is for the food wash process, the food bath. The water that I'm getting is for the food bath. So a food bath is simple. This is basically a process whereby before you enter the chicken house, you wash your legs and your shoes with a simple mixture of water and simple chemicals. Here I'll just use soap or surf.
I walked through fire, felt the rain, carry dreams inside the pain. Every fall just made me rise. Now the truth is in my